starting with page 15. With a partner here, you can do this on your own or with a partner. What are the colors of these objects? Uno, an elephant, gris. Dos, a banana, amarillo. Tres, an orange, anaranjado. 4, a leaf, verde. 5, rosy cheeks, rosado. 6, a dark night, negro. 7, coffee, marrón. 8, the American flag, 3 colors, rojo, blanco, y azul. Then letter B just says, and this is a good thing to do outside of class too, just go around naming all the colors. Same thing with numbers. Count everything you can, use the numbers in real life situations, and go around looking at cars and clothing and just saying what the colors are. Do it over and over and over again until it becomes that quick, till you can snap it off just like you're doing English. Letter C, this is a painting, una pintura, that's the word for a painting, by a Mexican-American painter. With a partner, take turns naming the colors you see. You can look around there and you can see all the colors. Again, play with the colors as best you can. And notice that you can use the word claro for light and oscuro for dark. So light blue would be azul claro, dark blue, azul oscuro. Light gray, gris claro. Dark gray, gris oscuro. And so on and so on. Let's see, para conversar, down below the painting, ¿Qué color te gusta? So they do give us this phrase, te gusta, just they kind of throw it in here really quickly. You're not going to see it after this. It really means in Spanish, what color is pleasing to you? But we say in English in that context, we would use the phrase, I like, so, or you like. So, ¿Qué color te gusta? You can go around asking people, ¿Qué color te gusta? ¿Te gusta azul? Just use the te gusta parts to get the idea across of do you like. ¿Te gusta azul? ¿Te gusta negro? ¿Te gusta rojo? And so on. And somos pintores, letter B, says we are painters. See if everybody knows what colors can be formed by mixing the primary colors. ¿Qué color forman? Is the phrase for what color do they form? And then the they is going to be the two colors. ¿Qué color forman el azul y el rojo? And you would say, forman el color morado, or violeta if it's a light color. ¿Qué color forman, ¿qué tenemos? Amarillo y azul? Forman el color verde. What else do we have? ¿Qué color forman rojo y amarillo? Forman el color anaranjado. Over on page 16, we have the days of the week. Notice, as we talked about in class, that lunes starts the week in most Hispanic countries. I think every calendar I've seen, it always starts on Monday rather than Sunday, because the cultural aspect of it, the cultural religious aspect. God created the earth, according to the Bible, in 6 days, and he rested on the 7th day. So the 7th day is the rest, the day of rest, or Sunday, the day you go to church and everything. So the Spanish calendar reflects that cultural idea, that Sunday is on the end of the week, not at the beginning. So the days of the week sound like this, starting from Monday. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And down below the calendar we've got the phrase for what day is today. ¿Qué día es hoy? Repeat that phrase. ¿Qué día es hoy? And then you say today is by saying hoy es. Hoy es, whatever it happens to be. Let's see, notice that the days of the week are not capitalized in Spanish, so when you write these things out in your tests, don't capitalize Monday through Sunday. They just aren't capitalized in Spanish. The days of the week are masculine, so if you want to say on Monday, you say el lunes. On Tuesday, el martes. You don't say en, you say el. Like on Monday I have 2 classes. El lunes tengo 2 clases. Don't use en for that. If you say on Mondays, plural, on Mondays I have 2 classes, then you say los lunes, because that's the plural. And notice that they all end in S already, so they're all plural and singular, lunes through viernes. Sábado and domingo are the only 2 where you've got to add an S to make them plural. Practica letter A on page 16, toward the bottom. Letter A says, knowing that mañana means tomorrow, and pasado mañana means the day after tomorrow, give information following the model. If we say number 1, hoy es sábado, then we've got to tell what tomorrow is and what the day after tomorrow is. Hoy es sábado, mañana es domingo, y pasado mañana es lunes. Número 2, hoy es miércoles, so the answer is, mañana es jueves, y pasado mañana es viernes. Número 3 says, hoy es viernes, today's Friday, so the answer is, mañana es sábado y pasado mañana es domingo. Número 4 says, hoy es domingo, today is Sunday. So the answer is, mañana es lunes y pasado mañana es martes. Número 5 says, hoy es jueves, today is Thursday. So the answer is, mañana es viernes y pasado mañana es sábado. And número 6 says, hoy es martes, today is Tuesday. So, mañana es miércoles y pasado mañana es jueves. And then you could ask, using the calendar on the next page, with the dates that are circled, you could ask people what day is, and then you give the number of the day, and then they would tell you what the day of the week it is. So, for example, ¿qué día es el 2 de agosto? What day is the 2nd of August? And you say, es miércoles. If you look at August and you see the 2nd, it's on a... Let's see, is it miércoles? No, it isn't. The model is wrong. That's curious enough. I didn't check the model before on this. You just look over and you say, ¿qué día es el 2 de agosto? And it's actually, if you look at the calendar, it's viernes. So it's Friday. The model was just going from a different calendar, I suppose. That covers page 16.